My name is Freddy Kappell. I'm a test driver, and as the name suggests, my job is to test tyres, using onboard equipment to take measurements or subjective tests based on the driver's feedback. These results are then used to discuss with the R&D teams who design the tyres, and the results help us choose the best solution for the customer. So, as far as the Quadraxer 3 and Quadraxer SUV are concerned, we were really surprised by their performance on all levels, both in dry and wet conditions and even on snow. So in dry conditions, we were surprised by the level of comfort and by the braking capacity, which is very interesting for the customer in terms of safety. It was the same in wet conditions too. They performed really well. There's a good compromise, whatever the weather conditions. As far as snow's concerned, we were able to go up to higher altitudes, and we did some tests on white roads. We really found that the tyre did very well, whether it was on packed snow or fresh snow. It has a really good crossing capacity, and it makes you feel really safe. It's very good. As far as the noise inside the car is concerned, you can tell that this is not a pure winter tyre. The noise level is much lower, so it's really pleasant for the driver. In conclusion, I'd say this is a true four-season tyre. It allows you to deal with any situation, it remains comfortable, and it does exactly what you expect it to.
I'm Jonathan Lejeune, industrial designer for the KLEBER brand with just over 13 years of experience. I work on the design of all the external geometry of a tyre. For the Quadraxer 3 and Quadraxer SUV range, we have included a V-shaped macro pattern for better water evacuation and better snow traction. And on the treads, you will find self-locking sipes to improve braking on dry and wet surfaces. One of the jobs we did was to redesign the sidewall graphics on the tyre to make them more legible and more functional. So one of the innovations that we brought to this tyre is what we call the balancing indicator. It's an indicator allowing us to check our tyres quickly to see whether the parallelism of our vehicle is correct. We are proud to be able to bring this product to the market. It's the result of a long design process carried out by our research and development teams.
I'm Francois Xavier Bruno, project manager for the KLEBER brand. My role is to connect the customer's requirements to the creation of the ideal tyre. To do this, I work in coordination with a cross-functional team with members ranging from marketing to quality, from industry to design, including the test drivers. For the Quadraxer 3 and Quadraxer SUV, we worked on technologies that allow us to go one step further in terms of safety. The technologies and raw materials used in our tyres are of the latest generation, providing the best versatility. We've improved both dry and wet braking, regardless of the outside temperature conditions. We have created an all-seasons tyre that's capable of responding superbly to all weather conditions. This tyre is 3PMSF certified, an important point from a regulatory perspective. The team's really happy. We'll be able to offer a product of excellent quality, strengthening customer trust.